So actually, I would recommend to engage as early as possible. And I mean, we've done the deals, everything starting from the target, ending with the phase 3. But the sweet spot is around the proof of concept in animal models. Mm-hmm. So this is where most of the deals are, really attractive for us. Mm-hmm. And then this is also a time where we can advise, which animal models would be really, believable on our side. So there are a number of, like Florence says, lots of expertise inside the team, which can help you to further develop. So I wouldn't wait till you were in phase 2 with the proof of concept in humans. This is then a little bit harder to steer later on.
Yeah, I would completely agree with that. The sweet spot for us as well is very similar. We want to see in vivo pharmacology in the right models, and that helps us then to add value going forward, develop the clinical plan. I think if you have some doubt about the indication, setting up that collaboration as well is better sooner rather than later. Let me give you an example of why. There's lots of companies out there who have anti-fibrotic agents. NASH is an example with fatty liver disease is an area of huge opportunity, I'm sure, either side of me as well. What we often see is people position their assets towards NASH because of the anti-fibrotic nature, but haven't actually run the right studies to check if it actually is going to have efficacy and address some of the other concerns that underlie fatty liver disease, including inflammation and a metabolic dysfunction. So my advice would be collaborate early and try and get the right pharmacology done early.
Mm-hmm. I completely agree with that. I could also add one aspect that also can help in the early stage, in discovery stage, is also try to link. That's something we are really more and more focused on at Novo Nordisk. Try to link the biology of with human biology. So the animal experiments are key, but the link to human biology with some genetic studies that tend to validate that this approach is valid is also very valuable at an early stage, and yes, clearly engage as early as possible.
Perhaps also think, is there possibilities of a collaboration research agreement? Because at Amgen, just to come along and then we sign that deal for until the product. That doesn't happen a lot. What happens a lot is that we sign collaboration agreements even without an upfront, that we know about the company, that there's a building a trust, and this leads then into the next stage, another agreement. So we have this example. So getting that food in is incredibly difficult for in particular for earlier stage companies. So if there's a way of where the hurdle is not so high in a research agreement, this could be a door opener for the future. So.